Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I will convey about my research proposal in order to fulfill the assignment of the TA methodology courses. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Lia Widya Ningrum from Accounting Class B, State Polytechnic of Semarang. The title that I took in the research is The Effect to Regional Taxes and Regional Levies on Regional Original Income in Temanggung Regency. Structure of presentation. Number one is background, number two is literature review, and then number three is research method.
Number one, background. The Republic of Indonesia adheres to the principle of decentralization in the administration of government by giving the regions the freedom to carry out regional autonomy. According to Law Number 22 of 1999, Article 1, it is stated that what is meant by regional autonomy is interests of the local community according to their own initiative based on the aspiration of the people in accordance with the legislation. With autonomy, regions are encouraged by being creative in favor of regional revenue. The regional government as a unit that is given the authority to regulate itself according to regional autonomy requires sufficient sources of financing. However, the central government cannot own regional financial sources. Sources of funding for the implementation of local government on regional original revenue, balancing funds, regional land, and other legitimate income (PAD) on of which is in the from the local taxes is accepted to be sources of financing for government administration and regional development to improve the distribute the welfare the community. Thus the region are able to carry out autonomy, normal being able to regulate and manage their own household. The greater the regional taxes and levies received, the more automatically the PAD will increase. The independence of the regency or city government can be seen from the amount of PAD obtained by the regency or city government. The greater the taxes and levies obtained by the regencies and cities in financing expenditure to carry out their authorities and responsibility to the community, such of assisting and facilitating community facilities and infrastructure. Regional levies are mandatory payment from resident to the state because they are certain service provided by local government to individuals individually. This levy from the community will be a source of income from the area and can be used as the main source of regional income in addition to local tax. The share of regional operating profit and legal PAD value. Temanggung Regency is one of the regencies in Central Java that has various sources of service that can be subject to taxes and levies, starting from the tourism sector to the service provided by the private sector. Therefore, seeing the importance of the influence of regional taxes and regional levies on regional original income in Temanggung Regency, which will ultimately affect the total regional income in the future. With this, researchers are interested in examining the effect of regional taxes and regional levies on local revenue in Temanggung Regency.
Next, formulation problems. Tax and levies are one of the potential sectors of PAD revenue in Temanggung Regency. However, further research is needed on Number 1. How is the effect of local taxes and regional levies on regional original income? Number 2. How is the effect of local taxes on regional original income? Number 3 is how is the effect of regional retribution on regional original income? Research objective and benefit. Research purpose consists of number 1, to find out the percentage of the influence to tax and levy rate on the regional original income in Temanggung Regency government. Number 2, to find out and analyze the magnitude of the effect of local taxes and regional original income. Number 3, to find out and analyze the magnitude of the effect of retribution on regional original income. Benefit of research. The expressed benefits in this research are as follows. Number 1, increase student knowledge about regional taxes and regional levies. Number 2, as input of the government in setting policy and how the government treats them in between increasing from year to year. Number 3, as a reference material in additional reference of further research. Next, literature review. Number 1 is text. Consists of meaning of text, text function, text class, text collection system, text collection principle, how to collect text, text collection frame, and then text law. Number 2 is local text. Consists of hotel text, advertisement text, track lighting text, non-metal and rock mineral text, groundwater text, and then restaurant text. Regional retribution consists of definition of retribution, object of regional retribution, subject of regional retribution, technical infraction for collection of regional retribution, levy collection system and procedure, how to calculate payable retribution, and then understanding regional original income. Number 3, research method. Types of research. This research is an associative research, population and research sample. This is study use a sample determined by using a purpose X, which is a curve by taking sample from the population with on certain criteria. Data type. Primary data, basic interview, documentation, observation. Secondary data, time series data, and then cross-section data. Data collection technique. Library method. Research conducted library research by studying and collecting data from books and journals related to the problem under study. Database method. By accessing data from the website. Enough of my presentation. If you have any questions, please contact the contact list below. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.